Welcome, beautiful souls. Today, we embark on a profound journey into the world of Reiki, specifically focusing on Chapter 4 of our series, The Energy Body. Whether you're just starting your Reiki journey or are deepening your practice, understanding the energy body is essential to unlocking the full potential of energy healing. In this video, we'll explore the key components of the energy body, including chakras, energy channels, and the aura. We'll also discuss how these subtle systems interact to support both physical and emotional well-being. By the end of this video, you'll have a deeper appreciation for the energetic aspects of your being and how to balance them for healing. Let's dive in. Chapter 4: The Energy Body Explained. What is the energy body? Reiki isn't just about healing the physical body. It works by recognizing the existence of a subtle energy system that underlies and interconnects our physical form. This is often referred to as the energy body, and it's believed to consist of several key elements: chakras, energy channels, and the aura. Understanding these components is crucial for practicing Reiki effectively. Section 1: Chakras and Energy Channels. Chakras, the energy vortexes. Let's begin with the chakras, these swirling vortexes of energy located along the spine and throughout the body. They act as bridges between our physical body and the energetic realm. Think of them as the gateways that distribute and balance vital life force energy, also known as Ki or Chi in Eastern traditions. Here are the 7 main chakras, each governing different aspects of our well-being. Root chakra, or Muladhara location, base of the spine, associated with feelings of security, grounding, and stability. Sacral chakra, or Svadhisthana location, below the navel, associated with creativity, sensuality, and emotional connection. Solar plexus chakra, or Manipura location, upper abdomen, associated with personal power, confidence, and self-esteem. Heart chakra, or Anahata location, center of the chest, associated with love, compassion, and the ability to both give and receive love. Throat chakra, or Vishuddha location, throat associated with communication, self-expression, and creativity. Third eye chakra, or Ajna location, between the eyebrows, associated with intuition, wisdom, and connection to higher consciousness. Crown chakra, or Sahasrara location, top of the head, associated with spirituality, enlightenment, and divine connection. Each chakra plays a vital role in balancing our energy and influencing both our emotions and physical health. Energy channels, or meridians. In addition to chakras, we have energy channels or meridians that allow Kai energy to flow throughout the body. These channels connect the chakras, ensuring the smooth distribution of life force energy to all parts of the body. Traditional Chinese medicine recognizes 12 main meridians, each associated with specific organs and their functions. When these channels are open and flowing freely, we experience balance and vitality. When they are blocked or stagnant, physical or emotional discomfort can arise. Section 2: The Aura and its Layers. Now let's talk about the aura, the energy field that surrounds your body. It's like an energetic shield, reflecting different aspects of your mental, emotional, and spiritual states. The aura is typically broken down into several layers, each revealing specific insights about your overall energy. Etheric layer, closest to the body, reflects physical health and vitality. Emotional layer, associated with feelings and emotions, often visible in vibrant colors. Mental layer represents thoughts, mental patterns, and beliefs. Spiritual layer, outermost layer, reflects your connection to higher realms or divine energy. Just like chakras, your aura can provide important clues about your well-being. The colors within the aura can reflect current emotional and mental states. For example, a bright blue aura might indicate clear communication and intuition, while a red aura might suggest passion, or even frustration or anger. Auras, like chakras, can become imbalanced due to stress, emotional trauma, or prolonged physical illness. Reiki helps restore balance to this energetic field, fostering an environment for healing and well-being. Now that we've talked about the energy body, let's discuss Kai or Chi energy. This is the vital life force that animates all living things. It's the unseen force that flows through your chakras, meridians, and aura, nourishing your body and contributing to your overall health. In Reiki, the practitioner channels this universal ki energy to bring about healing and balance in the recipient. While Western medicine doesn't have a direct equivalent for ki, it is central to many Eastern practices, including traditional Chinese medicine and Japanese martial arts. Why is understanding the energy body important for Reiki practitioners? The more deeply you understand the chakras, meridians, and aura, the more effectively you'll be able to support healing for yourself and others. Here are 3 key reasons why. First, identifying imbalances. By understanding energy flow, you can assess areas of imbalance or blockage that may be causing emotional or physical distress. Second, directing energy flow. Through Reiki, you can intentionally direct healing energy to specific chakras or areas of the body in need of balance. And third, enhancing treatment effectiveness. A deeper awareness of the energy body allows you to tailor your Reiki treatments for more profound healing experiences. Section 5. Practices to explore the energy body. Now that you have a foundation in understanding the energy body, let's look at some practices that can help you connect more deeply with your own energy field. Meditation. Regular meditation can heighten your sensitivity to subtle energy, allowing you to detect imbalances in your energy field. Yoga, with its combination of movement and breath, helps activate and balance the chakras and meridians. Body scans. By practicing body scan meditation, you can bring awareness to different areas of your body and sense energetic blockages. Section 6. Maintaining a balanced energy body. Maintaining balance in your energy body is just as important as keeping your physical body healthy. Here are a few tips. Healthy lifestyle. Eat nutritious foods, get adequate sleep, and reduce stress to keep your energy flowing smoothly. Mindfulness. Practice mindfulness to stay present and release negative emotions that can create energetic blockages. Gratitude. Practice. Gratitude fosters positive energy, filling your aura with light and well-being. Reiki self-treatment. Regular self-Reiki sessions can prevent imbalances before they manifest as physical or emotional challenges. Conclusion. Moving forward in your Reiki journey. By understanding the chakras, energy channels, and aura, you can deepen your relationship with the energetic aspects of your being. This knowledge allows you to provide more holistic Reiki treatments and brings balance to your life. In the next chapter, we'll explore the practical techniques of Reiki, including hand positions and different methods for self-treatment and healing others. Stay tuned as we continue your Reiki journey together. Closing. Thank you so much for joining me on this exploration of the energy body. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from this knowledge. Support us on Patreon to help us create more content like this. Let's continue healing ourselves in the world one breath at a time. Namaste.